Okay, so if you're like me, maybe scrolling late at night, feeling exhausted,
Mm.
you've probably seen ads pop up.
Hmm.
Things promising miracle cures for sleep.
Oh, yeah, the exhaustion economy. You're tired, you're desperate, you'll click anything.
Exactly. Which brings us to this gadget,
Mm.
the Dreamweaver Pro Sleep Mask. It's everywhere.
Right, heavily promoted.
And the promises are huge,
Yeah.
Fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer,
Yeah.
wake up feeling amazing, completely refreshed.
The whole package.
So, based on the stuff you sent over, our mission today is pretty clear. Is this thing legit? Is it a real high-tech sleep aid or just an expensive, comfy mask?
Let's dig in. First off, what is it supposed to be? The marketing paints it as, well, pretty high tech. It blocks light, obviously, but it also has active stuff. Heat therapy, like a warm compressed feeling,
Okay.
and a massage function. Gentle vibrations, apparently, around the eyes and temples to sort of, release tension.
Right, designed to get you ready for sleep. Makes sense so far.
Pretty standard relaxation tech, yeah.
But here's where it gets interesting for me. The big claim. They say it's scientifically proven.
Ah, yes.
Not just comfy, but proven to enhance deep sleep.
Yeah.
That's a massive claim for a mask.
It really is. And you have to ask, how would they even measure that? True deep sleep, that needs, like, clinical gear, EEG monitors, that sort of thing.
Right, not just a consumer gadget you wear on your face.
Exactly. And what's really telling, what your source material points out, is critical.
Yeah.
Despite that scientifically proven badge,
Yeah.
there's actually no reference, no study cited, no scientific source mentioned anywhere on their site. Nothing.
Wow. So it's just a claim, an assertion with no backup.
Seems like it. Just the word scientifically proven.
Okay, but the whole setup looks so credible. The website, nubly.co.co. It's slick.
Oh, absolutely. Very professional looking.
Clear pricing, secure payment logos everywhere. It really does look like a proper tech company is behind it.
It does. And that professional veneer is part of the strategy, isn't it? But then you look closer at the marketing tactics.
Like what?
Well, they talk about having, tons of glowing reviews, over 4,000 verified purchases, they say.
Okay, that sounds impressive.
It does, but the source notes that a lot of these reviews seem, well, a bit generic. Like they could be about anything.
Right.
Raises a little flag.
Yeah, generic reviews are always a bit suspect. And what else?
The classic online sales trick. That constant banner.
Oh, the 50% off offer ends soon thing? Yeah, I saw that. It never seems to actually end, does it?
Exactly. Creates that false urgency. If you're selling thousands, why the permanent panic sale? It suggests confidence might be more in the marketing than the clinical data.
Right. Okay, so marketing claims are shaky, maybe exaggerated, but does the mask itself actually do anything? What are real users saying?
Yeah, that's the interesting contrast. Because functionally, people seem to like it. The feedback suggests it is comfortable. It apparently does block light very effectively, which is job number 1 for a sleep mask.
Okay, good.
And the heat feature, people genuinely seem to find it relaxing and helps them unwind before bed.
So the basic functions, they work. It delivers on comfort and, like, blocking out the world.
It seems so. It works well as a sort of luxury decompression tool. Helps you chill out.
That's a really important distinction, isn't it? Decompression tool versus clinical sleep cure.
Absolutely crucial. Especially when you consider the price.
Yeah, let's talk about that. It's around 9,000 Indian rupees.
Yeah.
That's not cheap.
Definitely a premium price point. You're paying top dollar.
So is it worth that much for just relaxation?
Well, synthesizing it all, connecting the dots, the insight seems to be this. You're paying a premium, almost clinical level price for a high-quality, high-tech comfort device. The cost might justify the superior comfort, the effective light blocking, the nice heat feature.
But not the deep sleep claims.
Exactly. It seems great for creating that calm, cozy feeling before bed, but it doesn't look like the magic bullet for serious sleep issues their ads imply.
Okay, so bottom line, it seems like the legitimately good premium relaxation mask.
Right. Feels nice, blocks light, heat is soothing.
But it's wrapped up in marketing that makes these big, unsubstantiated scientific claims about fixing your deep sleep.
Precisely. It functions well, but the claims are definitely, let's say, a bit exaggerated.
So we have a good product, potentially overpriced, with questionable marketing.
Which really leaves you, the listener, with a final thought to chew on, doesn't it?
Go on.
Given that significant cost and the fact that its proven benefit seems to be relaxation and comfort, what's the actual value you put on that? How much is achieving that calm state worth compared to the much bigger but unsupported promise of guaranteed better deep sleep.
Comfort versus a cure. That's a calculation, isn't it?
It really is something to think about.